if you must, you must, you know, to express the way you feel, then so be it. But that should be a daily thing, you know, rewarding yourself should be a daily thing. Hello everyone and welcome to my Creative African Cooking channel, Ndudu by Fafa. And as it's Valentine's Day, let me just wish you happy Valentine's Day. But most importantly, in as much as we seek for love and we seek everything loving, don't forget to love yourself, because through loving yourself, you then decide what type of love that you want around you. The type of people that influences your decision, your aura, your surroundings, your spirituality. You know what, I've written a piece about self-loving and how important it is. But of course, you know, it's easy so. And as much as you want to love, you have to also eat. Telling me that I would say such a thing, I know. Anyway, so I'm going to go through some of the dishes that, you know, that feel good factor, easy to make, complicated, the one that you just want to sweat a bit, whatever, you know, I've covered you. And it's all just like presented beautifully. Yes, so let's start. So I'm going to talk you through some of the recipes. I've just selected these few because I think they're great and, you know, it's romantic and yeah, definitely. Start with a table setting, which will be very traditional, and I have covered that in the previous videos. So the table setting you can set in a very traditional way. Look, get your chair, your little chair on your table, set like the queen and, you know, king that you are. It's all about self-preservation and self-acceptance, you know, and use what you have. It's, you know, going out of your way for a day, it's really not necessary, but if you must, you must, you know, to express the way you feel, then so be it. But that should be a daily thing, you know, rewarding yourself should be a daily thing, I think. So anyway, table settings. Hey, make a jam. Even if it's Gary soakings you've got, get your candles and everything around, Charlie, hey. Get that orange peel into the coal pot. It gives that beautiful smell anyway, you know. And, you know, to refresh your mouth, get some of the roasted corn. Like I'm quite sure, you know, it's just, you know, the way you think about things. You've got to think about things differently, and that would be great. You know, next one, snacks. You can have your chupupi, adunle, as we call it. Yeah, I mean, there are various snacks that you can enjoy. Because just in case, you know, you're running late in terms of cooking, then, you know, the snacks can actually help bridge that sort of, you know, awkward situation where one is hungry, you know. You can look, go and get your plantain chips, your chupipi, which is your adunle, or even better still, you know, just get your cassava chips. Make some cassava chips, cocoyam chips, absolutely, or kakro, whichever way you call it. Now, when it comes to, like, you know, your starters, you can be creative. But yet again, I think that having a lovely, you know, healthy soup would work. So EBUNUBUNU, you know, the spinach soup or contourage soup, may I say. It works really well, absolutely. And, oh, you know, if it's a lunch meal that you're making for a vegetarian, you know, you can go for your red, your, you know, beans and your plantain. Charlie, don't mess with it. I've got recipes and I've got all that covered for you, you know. Yeah, and I even made those beautiful Ghanaian beans, like crumble as I call it. I know, right? Yeah, now that's a recipe that'll be coming up soon. Oh gosh, I have got loads of recipes coming up. Now, Valentine's, I'm sure there'll be jollof rice. I mean, jollof rice is something that's the almighty. It represents any excuse for an occasion. Jollof rice definitely is there. You know what I mean? And for the food, don't hassle. Look, if you want to pound your fufu, pound your fufu. If not, look, just go and do the fresh fufu in the pot. It's easy. You know, you've got choices. Put it that way. All the recipes that I'm talking about are either on my blog or I've actually got the video on my YouTube channel, so you need to be watching those. Yeah. Next one, drinks. I think I've covered this Sobolo Royale. So look, get some palm wine, add some Sobolo to it if you want an alcoholic one. You can get your lamuki, your asana, your Sobolo. I mean, the list is endless. I'll leave links in the description box about all of these recipes. Let's say you're working today and you just don't have time to go for this, rigmarole. You've seen my beef stew. You can make that beef stew, add some gari, make your own gari photo. You know what I mean? It will just make it great. And just grill some chicken beef crab. And so I dad that crab and they sprinkle some love on it. That's it, you're done. Now, I think when it also comes to like puddings, yeah, I've made this amazing plantain and passion fruit sorbet. It's so good. So it's like the over-ripened sweetened plantain is what I've used for the sorbet, and it's a must try, definitely. You've got the Ghanaian chocolates, and I've made the Ghanaian chocolate fondant. Yet again, that recipe is there. So you're not even going to excuse. And so below that, I've actually slow cooked pears, and that's just incredible. It's like nothing not incredible. And yeah, you can finish it off with the CAFÉ TOUBA. CAFÉ TOUBA is back again. Yeah, but I hope that, your Valentine's is great. You have an amazing Valentine's Day. Definitely making sure that you're loving yourself. Absolutely. Share with your family and friends. Share with people that you love and you care about. Whether you're single, you're together, you're separated, whatever the situation is, just surround yourself with love. Today and always, actually, that's what's important. You should spend time with people that make you feel better, people that complement your personality, complement you as a person, encourage you, understand your vulnerability, and are willing to help you grow. You need to actually be around people that challenge you. There's no point in being comfortable amongst the people you're in because you're not going to learn anything, you're not going to grow. Through that, love does come its way. Don't go looking for love, love finds you whilst you're busy exploring yourself. That's it.